Okay, hopefully we have a solution. And Rosalind Smith actually said this. She said that Mozilla is working fine for her, which is Firefox. And so this is, I went into Firefox because I cannot get it to go full screen with Edge. I use Edge. I don't have Chrome downloaded, so I haven't been able to check it. I don't really care for Chrome. So if you have Chrome and you are using it and you can do full screen, let us know. So, but with Mozilla, look at that, full screen, perfectly fine and ready to go. So, yep, that's what I wanted to show you. So, okay, I don't know what else to say, but Mozilla works and works well. I tried to do a video where I flipped between screens. I'll try it again, but it didn't really, it worked the first time, and the second time I switched screens, it did not. So I'm going to try it and see if I can get this recording to work so where I can go to the other one that's having problems. So let me, okay, hopefully this works. So this is my Edge, and it is not working. So that's what I was saying, like with Edge it's doing this. But let's try Mozilla. All you have to do is do a download. Let me see if I can show you how. I don't know if I try to go to Google. Let me see if that works. Okay, it says it's showing it, so hopefully. So what you would do is just do, you could do Foxfire, Mozilla, or you could do Mozilla. Okay, so what you would do is just come here and use, obviously this is, okay, so you just come here and you would download the Mozilla for Windows and click on that. It's an easy downloader. Let's see, we've got Safari too. Safari used to always work with quite a few things too. Opera, Brave. If you use any of these other ones, let me know. I think I'm going to try Safari too. Mac, iPhone, iPad, iPod. Okay, this is an Apple thing. Browsers is also used by other. Samsung Internet offers integration. Apple services. Siri. Okay. I've had Safari in the past, and I really never had problems with it. And that was before Edge. Edge is actually just replacing Google. It is Google, basically. But Google also has Chrome, but now they've done Edge. So, all right. So you have different, I would use the actual Mozilla site right here, the Mozilla one. Sometimes other things will have you download it from theirs, like this right here. Don't use those ones. Use the one that's right there. I know I keep saying Hunter because I'm using his thing right now. But okay. So anyway, so download it. Free access to AI. Nope, that's not it. Opera, download, Foxfire, compare. Right, it doesn't have a download over there. But I would do that. And there was something I was wanting to show you. I'm hoping this is working because I've never flipped around. Okay, it looks like it is. There was something that I noticed that was a little bothersome to me. When I type in Happy Acres, okay, this one right here, oh, now it has a different one, bonus. Nope, that's bonus links. The one that says games and toys is, the Happy Acres, that we go to every week to get our bonuses and stuff like this. Well, I noticed this, that it is this interactive holding, and this is a place where they do these videos, and like I get them in my feed all the time, but they're the wrong videos. Like they're videos from way back when. And when I tap the photos, this is, I mean, sure, there's some Happy Acres photos, but like all these photos came up, which has never been there before. So I'm kind of wondering, it says Century Games. Let's see, let me go back. It says contact is happyacrescenturygame.com, Facebook Happy Acres, but then this is new. So they've taken over this page. I mean, you can get to these regular photos right here, and I know those are tagged photos, but that just never showed before. Profile pictures, and then here's the videos that these people make that you get in, like they'll show up in your feed, but they're, you know, things we're not necessarily doing right now, and these same videos keep showing up. So I'm not sure what's happening, but one of the things that I have noticed, so you can go right to the game. I'm hoping this works this time, because when I switched from the one like Mozilla over here, it didn't work. But people are saying to use this, but it never goes completely in full screen. You can still see, you know, the top things. And hopefully, nope, we didn't get the screen. But yeah, you can't go here. Here's the other thing that kind of I noticed. You know, when they changed all the Hafed things and everything, which, you know, is difficult. I can't believe they did that. I just honestly feel like the developers changed. And then, you know, when we had the clothing store, like in October, when they tried to put the Halloween things in, when you'd go to other people's farm, that little ghost skeleton would show up that we didn't even have the outfits for, because I think they were trying to program the clothing store and they couldn't get it programmed. And then the same time this girl showed up is when they were trying to put these last outfits in the clothing store too. These ones, this one, and what was the other one? I guess like the Valentine's ones. They were trying to put those in, and that's when this girl showed up. And she just asked the same questions over and over and over again. So it's like she's just like kind of what they had to do to get the clothing store loaded or something, the same way as in October. Here's the other thing that I kind of noticed since in the last few months. Look at how different these machines look. I mean, they look very simple, big, kind of I don't know if childish is the right word, but these were the last machines too, like some of them that we got, and they're more animated, but they also look very detailed, and these guys just aren't. So I kind of noticed that too. They just don't look like any of our other machines. And then, you know, these things have changed too. Is this it? Customized Pact, Adventures. I already claimed my trees. That's why it's not there. The one with the trees, like we're having to do the third and the fourth, you know, tabs to get the trees instead of having 4 trees. That's changed. Hafed has changed to where it's crazy. We got this trader, and okay, one of the things about the trader too, I know I put this in the last video, but I'm like really saving, trying to get all these done, and hopefully next month these flip over to the next one, so I can just get it done immediately and still save for another few months and just kind of do it that way. So over the 3 months, you know, because I already got these the first month, That was kind of interesting. But what was the other thing? Okay, the memory tree. Like today, it's staying because I changed it yesterday. But like you change it and you go in the next day or the next time you log in, and it's a completely different tree, not the one that you've saved. What else is different? I know I'm probably missing something. But okay, but let me know if you try the Firefox and it works, okay? I mean, you may have to play with it for, maybe a week or so or until they fix it, but honestly, Firefox, they're constantly like, upgrading, uh, fixing things, doing whatever. So I used to always play games with Mozilla. I don't know why I flipped back, but I never really had any problems with them. So maybe try them as an alternative, see if that works. If you have Chrome, let me know if you're having the problem. If you have any of those other ones, let me know if you're having the problem so we can help everybody, at least play the game, because this is hard. I had to walk away from it yesterday myself because I always do full screen, and this kind of drives me crazy. Like all this stuff around it, it's like chaos or something. So, but yeah, let me know. Happy farming. I hope this helps. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if there's anything you want to see or a video you want to see. Any questions? Happy to help.